If you have followed this channel for a while, you know how much I love backtesting strategies that apparently made other people millionaires. Today, I'm going to show you the simplest way to fact check these claims. And I'm using this video right here, where this guy says he made $31,000 a month with this strategy. 3 steps. Let's go. Quick disclaimer before we start. I'm just using this video as an example. There are literally millions of these videos on YouTube, and this is nothing personal against this guy. He might be a great trader. We're just testing the strategy. Step 1. Open the video, click the 3 dots, open transcript, copy everything. Took me about 10 seconds. Step 2. Paste the transcript into ChatGPT or your favorite LLM with this prompt. Summarize this trading strategy as precisely as possible. If there are vague statements, make proper assumptions. Use less than 500 characters. What you get back is a clean, specific strategy description you can actually test. No fluff, no hype, just the rules. Step 3. Go to research.wisequant.app. Upload your Bitcoin data, paste the strategy in, hit backtest, and wait literally 5 seconds. Now, he doesn't really elaborate on the time frame in the video, so I tested 1 minute, 5 minutes, and 15 minutes. And I'm going to pass him the benefit of the doubt here. I'm showing you the best performing time frame just to be 100% fair. Okay, so total return minus 2.42%, annual return minus 0.02%, Sharpe ratio 0. The strategy made literally nothing, and the train test split, Sharpe went from 0.05 in sample to minus 0.18 out of sample. That's 100% degradation. The tool calls it high overfit risk. I'd call it worse than that. The analyst notes say, and I'm quoting, the 48.73% win rate on 313 trades is statistically indistinguishable from a coin flip with transaction costs, meaning this strategy is random, with fees on top.
Verdict: likely curve fitted, 0 Sharpe, 100% overfit, negative returns. This strategy simply does not work. So, transcript: any LLM to formalize the strategy, WiseQuant to test it. 3 steps, 2 minutes, you know the truth. If you want to try it yourself, the link is in the description. And if you find it useful, consider signing up for Pro. It's what keeps this going and makes the tool better.